Welcome to HMO on Steroids, maximising property investments and your profits. Our aim is easy: to represent the best new and existing investors in the UK. Sourcing and working with the best investment properties and accommodation. The best quality accommodation and tenants within one of the most profitable property strategies in the UK. Investing in yield, 8 to 15%. Income between £30,000 and £40,000 per year. Value, buying houses to add value in the best areas. And capital growth. Long term, if you buy in the right places, then you can really benefit from massive capital gains. If you're looking to start, rebuild, progress or develop your property portfolio with income, capital the right way, the best way and the most profitable way, then please get in touch with us. We can help you, work for you, teach you, or we can do it for you. You can even pick the services you need from our HMO on Steroids. HMO on Steroids pick and mix services for property investors can include so much. Choosing the right area. Sourcing the right properties. Adding value to the right properties. Refurbishing properties and developing properties into the finished article. HMO kits perfected, fitted in property with new legislation in mind. HMO stand out from the competition, where we show you how to stand out to make your rooms, to make your accommodation the best on the market. Administration, let us do the boring work. The HMO licence, all the nitty gritty, the time consuming paperwork. Furniture, interior and design, we get the most from rooms every single time. And rental, letting rooms out quickly, less void periods. And of course, the management of HMOs, it's not easy. It's not easy managing tenants. Our teams and experts are perfected at managing rooms. They do it every day. And utilities, how to minimise your costs. Power team, leverage our power team, our experience, our contacts, our people. Essentially, we become your go-to pro. Whatever you need, whenever you need us, we're there. If you're interested in any of our services and expertise, please get in contact with our team. Please look around the website, find out how we can help you today. I'm Peter Licorinas, I'm HMO on Steroids, and we look forward to meeting you soon.